My name is Tacita Thompson. I'm a senior Salesforce consultant, and we are in Tuscaloosa, Alabama at the moment. One of our guiding principles is winning, and I can't say that without saying Roll Tide. So I think Alabama is a good example of what winning is, and if you look at Nick Saban's approach, there's discipline, there's hard work, and I think fast slow motion is so much like that. And sometimes I stop and I realize, like, this is what it's like to play for those winning teams, because the leaders and the teams around us like put us in places where we can be successful, and they give us the tools we need to be successful, and that show us the discipline and the processes, and push us to limits that we didn't even know we could get, and just where we could grow. And so to be able to experience that, I think that's winning. And to do that with a team of people, there's nothing like that feeling.